Ocean breeze around me now, slowly letting go somehow. Too much noise inside my mind, too many things I left behind. Every worry pulling down, till I came here to this town. Feet touching the sand again, salt water healing everything. Every wave keeps calling me, like the ocean sets me free. And I feel my spirit change. Nothing really stays the same. Let the ocean wash my soul, take the weight and let it go. Every wave keeps healing me, setting all my worries free. Feel the sunlight, feel the breeze, peace flowing inside of me. Every tide keeps pulling slow, taking everything I know. Golden light on open seas, summer wind between the trees. For a moment I can breathe, like my heart finally released. No more running from myself, no more fighting mental health. Now the water speaks so clear, everything I need is here. Let the ocean wash my soul, take the weight and let it go. Every wave keeps healing me, setting all my worries free. Feel the sunlight, feel the breeze, peace flowing inside of me. Every tide keeps pulling